This video I want to show how you would cite references within text using Zotero. I've written some introductory information up here and then started some text that I would write in something that either is to be published or turned in as published quality. So in Texas public schools, there's a responsibility of the state legislature to make suitable provisions for a system of free public schools. I need to cite a reference to substantiate that fact. And using Zotero, I can do that really easily. First of all, you'll see a symbol up here at the top, assuming you've downloaded the add-in, or the what's called the plug-in for that. Again, it comes automatically with Mac, but PC you do that separately, and it becomes a new tool within Word. You click on that, you'll see Zotero down here, and it has its own menu. So I want to do a citation. I want to add a citation. So Zotero will come up automatically from that. And I happen to know that's the particular constitutional statute that I want. So I click OK, and you'll notice it goes in. You'll also notice it's already in the appropriate APA format 6th edition. When I started the document, the Zotero program asks is what format do you wish to use, and once you make that choice, it will maintain that choice throughout the document, which makes sense because that's what you would want in any kind of published material. Then I go on to say the system was recently found in violation of the state constitution in that it failed to provide adequate funding for an efficient and suitable system. I need to substantiate that fact. I'm going to go here to Zotero again, add citation. Happen to know, I believe that one is along the lines of that one. Nope, sorry, it's, I believe, that one. So I need to click on that, and you'll notice that it comes up, the Texas Taxpayer Student Fairness Coalition, ETAL versus Williams, 2014. And then I went on and I changed subjects here and said another subject of interest is the impact of using social media in college classrooms. And let's say I want to substantiate that with an article. So I can go to here and cite again. This time I'm going to go up to a group that I've already created, 8308. I'm going to choose that one, and you'll see what happens. You'll see Michelle Miller, D, 2015. Now, I'll have to go back and make sure all of this is actually correct, because if it's correct in Zotero, it's going to be correct in the document. If it's wrong in Zotero, it's going to be wrong in the document. So I will have to make some edits sometimes. Well, you notice I've done a page break here, and you'll notice down here I've done a works cited. And I'm going to take those out just to kind of show, because it was already adding them. Let's say that they weren't there before, though, and I wanted to add them. You go back up to Zotero, and this time I'm going to add a bibliography. Click that, and you'll notice it automatically adds all three of those sources that I put in there. I think there's a way to maybe get them in a different order, but I didn't do it for this exercise right here. But essentially, that's how you would use Zotero to really, I think, be able to not only organize but also utilize your sources as you write your papers, and hopefully you'll use it for your dissertation.